Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into a common problem that many developers encounter when dealing with OAuth authentication. The problem in hand revolves around setting up the Spotify Auth code flow in a React frontend with a fast API backend. The issue arises when attempting to open the Spotify Auth dialog for the user to authorize the app, but ending up instantly redirected to the callback URL without going through the authorization process. This results in an invalid auth code being sent to the backend, causing the token exchange to fail. Quite a frustrating problem indeed. Now, let's delve into the solution to this pesky problem. The key to resolving this issue lies in including the parameters show_dialog true in the request URL when initiating the Spotify Auth flow. By setting this parameter to true, even if the user is already signed in, it forces the Spotify authorized dialog to appear, ensuring that the user can properly authorize the app. This simple addition to the URL parameters helps maintain the flow of authorization and prevents the automatic redirection that was causing the problem. In summary, by adding show_dialog true to the request URL parameters, you can ensure that the Spotify Auth dialog appears as intended, allowing the user to authorize the app before being redirected to the callback URL for token exchange. And with that, we've successfully tackled the issue of instant redirection during the Spotify Auth process. I hope this solution helps you resolve similar authentication challenges in your own projects. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on today's topic. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.